Welcome to the Beer Ball Card Fanatic. We're on a cruise ship. So, if you're wondering why we didn't post anything for a while, that's because we're in international waters, and that's just the way it goes. So, picked up a few products from a local Walgreens or Walmart before we hit the cruise ship, and we're doing half of what we picked up today and do the other half in another video. So, Son said he wanted to do the mystery packs first. Can't have a knife on the boat, so this will be fun. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna open up 2 mystery packs, and Son's gonna open up 2. And we'll go from there. I like these mystery packs mainly for the Chrome update. Because
you have a series 2-pack.
I got a series 2-pack in here, but I like the Chrome update pack because it is gotta be reused, gotta be resourceful. Chasing Bobby Witts. It's a rookie or chasing. This is Chrome update's fun. Alright, series 2-pack. Logan O'Hoppy rookie. Giancarlo Stanton. Manny Machado. This is the base pack. Alright, let's see what we get. And the purple is Joe. So not a great pack, but still fun. Alright, Son. I'll let you do 2 in a row for I want to do the big mystery pack next.
Alright.
You take over the seat. I'll help you rip too. One of these days, I'm hoping in these mystery packs we'll hit something pretty decent. Keep going.
Got a blue speckle.
Or did they were whatever they called it back in the day. Austin Hedges. Flip it over.
Numbered
to 9.99.
Alright.
So Pittsburgh Pirate number 9.99. Alright.
First name of them.
Right, open up your Chrome pack. We'll see. Gore. Seiya Suzuki. Old's rookie debut with Seiya Suzuki, and then Pena, and then Cole Irvin on the purple. All right. Open up the other. You stay and open up that one. Pretty good. Now you get a series 1 pack in there.
Yeah.
Trying to see how to put stuff on stands. I don't know if you'll be able to put anything on a stand. shut. Too bad you can't use that anymore. Rainbow foil. Tyler O'Neill. Alright. Mickey Betts.
Mookie.
Alright, open up that chrome pack. Got a
Insert.
Gordon. Gordon, we hit that on another mystery pack recently.
Yeah.
And then Mike, or Jake Marzonic. Alright. Alright, another mystery pack coming up.
And then we get to get into Bowman.
That was the Blaster Bowman. This is the bigger one. You can tell there's a first edition pack. We like those. I like the way that one rips better. That's the reason I bought this, because I could see the first edition. This is the first edition Bowman. Boom. That's what we want. You can't tell that from the. You can't tell that from the. All right, we'll do the series one.
We had a pretty good Ellie in a Bowman edition.
Yeah. So you can see the sun shining here on the cruise ship through the window. Pete Alonso. Got a Cal Raleigh on the Future Stars. He's hot. Riley Green, rookie. Right. Big league. Newt Bar. Ashcraft. Bryce Harper. That's cool. And Jesse Winker. Alright, first edition pack.
Bowman first edition.
This is pretty good. We go from one Bowman to another Bowman. So, Ryan Clifford. Joshua Baez on the blue. Willie, Tony, and Carlos. Not amazing. Names you don't recognize still. Alright, Bowman. Bowman Blaster.
This is gonna be fun.
Done this on a ship. You wanna go first? You need some.
Yes,
Alright, so 6 packs, so we'll alternate between. For good stuff. We got a green in the back, green shimmer.
sweet. Right away.
Kevin, Seaver. We'll divide these up a little later. Show it to Austin, Butler, Santos, and the green is Mariano. 15 out of 99 on the green shimmer. Right side. A little tight in here.
Yeah. And that's the basic old pack.
Just put it in one pile. This is so much easier. Pack 3. It's the hot pack. Let's hope so. Let's hope so.
Already hit the good stuff.
Reptilian on this one.
I already know who it is.
Who is it?
Wait.
James Wood on the Greatness Load.
Kind of looks like Shota.
It's not, can't be Shota because it's a prospect.
I don't know.
Yeah, there you go, James. All right. 3 more packs left.
Get the Rockstar rookie.
Didn't see that coming, did you?
No. I couldn't even see the purple.
So that's a purple paper.
Wow.
Number 250, Luis Almeida. I don't know.
Luis Almeida. I can't say it.
I don't even know who he is, but.
Wow.
Two more packs left on this cruise ship rip.
The cruise ship is actually giving us some good stuff.
Yeah, it's fun. Chase Burn. Alright, son, you get the last pack of the rip.
Is it going to be anything good? Probably not.
Maybe another magic bullet. Maybe something decent. Oh, you got the die cut. Never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind. There you go. All right. I was wondering what you're doing. All right. So a cruise ship rip. Hitting some waves, seeing some storms out there. Yelled out a bowman, a Luis, and a Murano. So the Luis number to 250 Murano. And I mean, nothing major in the mystery packs. I mean, I like this. Austin had just $9.99 out of series. Was that series 2? And then just never seen a Bryce Harper Big League card before, because I never buy Big League. I like that Jordan generation. Even though it's an overproduced insert, it's shiny. So either way, thanks for watching the Bearded Ball Card Fanatic on a cruise ship. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.